Now that you have the latest firmware in the knee, let's take a look at what you get. One of the 3 new activities is elliptical. The elliptical activity was designed for unilateral Quattro users on elliptical machines, but not for stair or stepping style machines. To be able to see and activate elliptical for the user, you must have the latest firmware version in the knee and turn the activity on in GateLab. When you select elliptical and turn the slider green, you'll see there's one setting for both flexion and extension resistance during use, from 0 to 100. These numbers represent a percentage of the available resistance for this activity from 0 to 100%. They can pedal forward and backwards on the machine. It is not recommended to leave the knee in elliptical at all times, and use caution when walking backwards and up and down slopes when in elliptical. Also, please note that stance lock and sitting mode are disabled to prevent accidental triggering during use. Obstacle assist is still available and can be used to help position their foot on the pedals. Let's take a look at elliptical in action with 2-time Paralympian Desmond Jackson.